Hi, my name is Alice Achwanyo, and this is my final presentation for CS6460 Education Technology. I decided to take the development path, and my project is developing a mobile application whose aim is to promote computer science education by equipping high school female students with the information they need to make career decisions towards computing. So the background of my project, the project goal, as I have said, is to provide information needed to make career decisions in the field of computer science. My intended target audience are female students in high schools, especially in Kenya. The motivation behind this project, I co-founded the Association for Women in Computer Science in Nairobi, and some of the programs involve outreach to girls' high schools, and one of the main problems that we've identified is lack of adequate and accurate information to make career decisions. So the expected outcome of this project is to reach more girls through mobile technology. So why computer science education? Technology has become increasingly ubiquitous in our lives, so having a better sense of its promise and perils is essential for everyone. As has been rightfully mentioned by Miran Sahami, there's also a huge demand for IT technology workers, and the estimates have been provided at about 500,000 in the US alone of unfilled IT positions. Computer science helps students develop systemic thinking skills, especially in the area of problem solving. And so this is key for our students as well. So the purpose of this project is to demonstrate the potential uses of mobile technology in computer science education to address the low numbers of women in computing. So this project integrates the use of mobile technology through the use of the mobile app to promote computer science education. So the objectives of this project, as will be seen in the app, is to avail information on computer science, provide practical and interactive interfaces that can assist in building spatial skills for women and girls, a skill that is key in the field of computer science, and also to improve gender perceptions of computer science by exposing women and girls to female role models, enhance communication and interaction among girls in the field of computing, provide feedback mechanisms on user experience in the field of computing through a simple star rating system. So the platform on which this mobile application is built is Android. And of course, one of the recommendations is that it's able to run across other platforms. Also, a web API has been developed to be able to update the information on the app. So before I get to the recommendations for the future, I will go into the application. And I recorded it using the Android Studio Recorder, which provides a better view of the application. So it starts off with a splash screen and it's a screen on why computer science, like I have mentioned. There are jobs that are available, and we then move on to careers and highlight different careers. Of course, this will be dynamic content, so we highlight different careers that are available. Key also is scholarships, ensuring that girls are up to date with scholarships that are available for women in computing, and also update them on information about networking events, for example, Gracehopper, women's hackathons. Again, role models on a monthly basis, they will be updated. And rating this app, how did you find this? Did you find the information useful? Was it easy to navigate? And finally, about the application and how they can navigate through the application. So yes, I will then return to the presentation, proposing recommendations regarding the application. So of course, first and foremost is that it's developed across the platforms, that it's able to be accessed. And in researching about spatial skills that women need to succeed in computer science, it's ideal that games like puzzles and board games be integrated into this application, so that it creates a world where girls can get to enjoy the journey of learning about computer science. The application can also be made fully interactive so that girls from all over the world can get information they need to make decisions about computer science careers in real time. Women from around the world can also reach out to female role models and network amongst each other about challenges in the field of computing, share their experiences, how they overcome them, providing a great support structure for girls to succeed. And finally, quizzes on computer science education can also be built in the application with prizes attached, just as a motivation for learning. So like I had mentioned, the application was developed using Android, but also the back end that is supposed to update the dynamic content was developed with Django. And so, of course, one of the pages that will constantly be updated are events. So in the event that an event needs to be added, you can be able to add any information. And for example, the Grace Hopper conference, and you can able to enter the dates that you can be able to enter the dates for the event, and this will be pushed to the application and updated as events near. Secondly is regarding, of course, as I have mentioned, the events will be captured and posted on the application. Secondly, we'll have the feedback. For example, how useful was information on the app? Was it easy to navigate to the app? And what do you propose can be done to improve the application? And this instead, since it's fed on the application, will be pulled into the Django MySQL database. So thank you for the journey, and I want to specifically thank my TAs, my mentor, and of course the peer feedback that enabled me to come this far with this project. Thank you.